Many students get this wrong, so be careful. They say draw a cube with the same volume as the cuboid. A lot of students, they just start drawing without doing the math. Please calm down. Okay, just go and find out the volume of this one first. How you find out volume? Very simple. Now, this is the length, right? Length is 2 units. The width is 1 unit. How about the height? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the height is 4 units. We find out the volume first, okay? Don't so kanjong. 2 times 1 times 4. Okay, 2 times 1 will be 2, 2 times 4 will be 8. So must be 8, okay? So the cube, right, with the same volume, right, how to get 8? It will be 2 by 2 by 2. Because 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8, right? Okay, so now I'm going to start drawing. If you do not know where to start, right, just follow them. See, I'm going to draw, I'm going to follow them. Follow here, so I'm going to draw, instead of 1, I'm going to draw 2. So I look at the dot. Okay, I'm going to start here. Okay, I look at the dot, I start here. So instead of 1, I'm going to draw 2. So I'm going to draw 2, right? Okay, so draw 2. Okay, now the length, right, I will draw the same because this is 2. It's supposed to be 2. Okay, so I'm going to put 2. So from here, it's going to be 2. Now, then follow the height. The height, instead of 4, I'm going to draw 2. So I'm going to follow, I'm going to follow exactly. Now, congratulations. You have your length, you have your breadth, you got a height already. So what's left? Just follow. You have done this, put a tick. You have done this, you have done this. So you have to do this one. This is also the height, right? Same thing as this one. This one 2 units, so here must be 2 units as well. Just follow. And these 2 units. This is called a copying method. So this is, I want it to be 2 as well. So I'm going to copy. Copy exactly. For students who find it very hard to visualize, right, just go and copy. Copy exactly. Here I'm going to draw this one. This one is 2 down, so you just connect the dots. At this point of time, right, you can just connect the dots already. Okay, so connect the dots over here. Okay, so this one will be 2, so I just follow. Follow exactly. 2, and the last one, just connect it. Okay, and then you got yourself a cube. So always remember, if you come out with this question, draw a cube with the same volume of the cuboid, right? Go and find out the volume first. Okay, then figure out what is the length, what is the width, and what is the height that you require before you start drawing. Okay? Then when you start drawing, right, just go and follow. Just go and follow exactly. Don't go and create your own and then make some silly mistake. Just go and follow. Follow exactly. Every single part that you follow, go and put a tick to remind yourself, hey, I've done it already. Alright, so this is called the counting method and the following method. Done.